acts in the parliament.
Union Minister of Law and Social Justice Kiren Rijiju has praised the NPP-led MDA government in Meghalaya, saying that it is doing a lot of good things. Talking to reporters in Shillong on Saturday, he said that these good works can be given more push if BJP has a bigger role in the government. He further stated that whenever BJP is in power or where BJP has a larger role in the government, the benefits to the people are much more because BJP has one single agenda of working for the people. Stating that BJP works on a mission mode, Rijiju felt that Meghalaya deserves to have more MLAs from BJP. Meanwhile, Rijiju refused to comment on the growing demand for implementation of the inner line permit in Meghalaya, saying that it requires larger deliberation as well as consultation. On the Citizenship Amendment Act, he said that the CAA could not be rolled out due to the pandemic, and the Home Ministry is dealing with various issues pertaining to it.
Meghalaya people have voted for the NDA led by the NPP, or Conrad Sangma's party. They are doing good job, but I wish BJP has a more role in the government, because more role of BJP will bring more development and more benefits to the people. The issues about each state is different from the other. The local demands, the issues raised by the local people here, it has its own relevance and importance, and government has to take a collective decision taking into account the larger interests of everyone. I cannot comment on any specific thing because it requires larger deliberation and as well as consultation.
Meghalaya's TMC MLA Charles Pingrove